Have you ever felt completely drained after making just a few choices in your day? Like what to wear, what to eat, or which task to start? You're not lazy or unmotivated. You're experiencing decision fatigue, a hidden mental trap that silently ruins your productivity, self-control, and even your happiness. In today's video, we'll explore why this happens, how it's silently impacting your life, and most importantly, how to beat it. Let's dive in. What is decision fatigue? Coined by social psychologist Roy Baumeister. The brain has a limited amount of decision-making energy each day. Every decision, even small ones, depletes this energy. By evening, your mental muscles are tired. That's why you binge watch instead of reading. You order junk food instead of cooking. You scroll instead of sleeping. In a study, judges gave more favorable parole decisions early in the morning and almost none by late afternoon. Signs you're experiencing decision fatigue. Feeling mentally drained by afternoon. Making impulsive decisions. Example, unnecessary shopping, junk food. Avoiding or delaying important choices. Regretting decisions made under stress. Saying things like, I don't care, anything's fine. It's not a motivation issue. It's a mental battery issue. Why it matters. Affects leaders, students, creators, everyone. Poor decisions in the second half of the day can sabotage your goals, damage relationships, waste money and time. Especially dangerous for people in high-stakes jobs, pilots, doctors, entrepreneurs. How to beat decision fatigue. 1. Automate small decisions. With the same type of outfit, like Steve Jobs or Mark Zuckerberg. Pre-plan meals or follow a routine menu. Have a fixed morning ritual. 2. Prioritize important tasks early. Do deep work in the morning when your mental energy is high. Schedule tough decisions for earlier in the day. 3. Limit your options. Fewer choices equals less fatigue. Apply the paradox of choice principle. More options often lead to more anxiety. 4. Use checklists and routines. Externalize decisions to reduce cognitive load. Example, daily startup or shutdown routines. Productivity systems like GTD. 5. Take real breaks. Mental rest restores decision-making power. Walks, naps, or meditation help recharge your brain battery. 6. Say no more often. Protect your brain power for what truly matters. Now you know, it's not that you're unproductive or lazy. It's that your brain is overwhelmed by choices. Start automating, prioritizing, and protecting your mental energy like it's money in the bank. If this helped you, let me know in the comments.